Hi everyone, this is KJ Vlogs, a Filipino reactor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin yung reaction video, ang Dawn Bell compilation. So without further ado, let's all watch this. Ito yung atang mga iba pang mga clips sa kanilang ABS-CBN Ball kasi na-beating din ako dear sa ABS-CBN Ball nila. So without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Ay, hello. Pak, ganyan ba talaga dapat, ma'am? Yes. Okay. 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 Ang ganda ni Belle. Ay, my God. Malaki pala yung gown niya sa likod, no? Malaki pala yung gown niya sa likod. Ay, hello. Di ko maipaliwanag ang marahil ka walaking hinahanap. Okay. Ang panaginip, iniibig ko. Ay, the phenomenal love team, Dawn Bell. Ay, pak! Attitude kung attitude. Ang perfect nila, dear. Aminin niyo yan. Ang perfect nila talaga. Ang ganda. Ay, yan pala yung sinasabi ko kahapon na parang may similarity sa gown ni Fiang yung mga flowers. Yung kay Belle pala, nung gumawa ako ng JM Fiang. Oo, yan pala yun. Nakalimutan ko. Perfect. Okay. Ay, hello. I love very sophisticated si ano, no? Very sophisticated si Belle, no? No foundation.
Oh my God.
No foundation needed. Okay. Ayaw kasi makeup artist niya. Yan pala yung makeup artist niya.
Bigat siya.
Ang bigat. Donnie, baka gusto naman din. Baka gusto naman, tulungan ni, Donnie yan. Ganda. Swarovski ba yan? Mga gems? Francis Libiran, right? Ganda mo po. Ang ganda niya, view. Grabe. Yes. Yes. Slay, Belle, slay. Slay talaga, Belle. Slay si Belle, no? Slay kung slay siya, oh. Ay, ano? Yung chika ni Belle dun sa likod. Oh.
Yes. But it's, you know what? I'll do anything for this gown. But I know this is Francis Libiran, right?
Ah.
So much
Oh, FL pala yan eh.
Go, Donnie, go ahead. No, because I wanted to add all the elements.
Eh, yes. Kilig talaga ako dyan pag gumaganyan. Pag gumaganyan si Donnie kay Belle. Kilig na kilig. Happy si Belle. Grabe talaga si Belle. Slay kung slay. Oh, dear couple. Couple na couple talaga sila for today's video. Hindi mo kaya. Cheers! Ganda ng gown ni Belle. Ganda din yung suit ni Donnie. Parang, I don't know, parang sweater siya na parang there's something. Hindi mo kaya. Si Donnie, todo assist. Sabi ni Donnie, yung hair. Kailangan daw ipakita yung ano, yung etches garbanzos. Ay. Bakit? Anong meron? Magtutropa. Ang magtutropa for today's video. Kyle Echari. Si Donnie. Ang mga friends, uy, bago din si Donnie sa PBB, yung ano. Yes! Oh, hindi mo kaya. Hindi mo kaya, Bel Mariano, for today's video. Promising talaga si Bel, no?
What I love about Belle's look, so she worked with Francis Libiran. Is it as usual? And Francis
Is it as usual?
worked apparently, according to Adrian Concepcion, with a metalsmith.
Metalsmith.
Oh.
Oh.
Encrusted pa ng Swarovski.
Swarovski, yes, siya pala.
It's heavy. But she makes it look light, no? It's all metal, actually.
It's all metal.
Yeah.
Ayan. Yes. Ang hawak ni Donnie. Ang hawak ni Bel sa muscle ni Donnie. Ihimas mo kaya, Bel, na konti lang, Bel. Pisilin mo lang, Bel, for us. Pakipisil ng konti, Bel, for us, please. Ay.
We got the phenomenal love team, Dawn Bell here on the red carpet.
Dawn Bell. Dawn Bell, everyone. Back. Oh, loko.
No foundation.
Wow, no foundation.
No foundation needed.
Oh my
No
God.
foundation needed.
Wow, she looks amazing.
Ganda.
As well,
Ang ganda, promising. Ang promising.
I wanted some-
Gwapo din ni Donnie. Sino ang gawa kay Donnie? Sino ang gumawa kay Donnie, dear? Asik naman na sumagot kayo dyan. No? Pakisagot na lang ako, oo. Look at you, and look at you. Okay. Yeah. Yes. Anyways, there you go guys. That is our for today's video. Our Dawn Bell compilation. This is KJ Vlogs. See you in my next vlog. Bye.